Hello people, welcome to our new tutorial. This is Nilofer. Today we'll be painting a peony pattern. To begin, I am using my Cypress mop brush. It's a 0 to mop brush. This is a synthetic mop brush, easily available and really nice, a good alternative to a natural hairbrush. So let's begin. Peony is a little intermediate level flower, second stage. To begin, I am holding my brush at a 45-degree angle, and to start, I'm creating a U shape, two major strokes. All the other strokes will be around these two major center points. A peony is an open full flower. It, we are painting a 3D flower, a 3D look to this flower. Hence, we are going to be painting from a distinct view of three sides. So, if you see, I'm adding a stroke, basic strokes, a leaf stroke around my two major U-shaped strokes. For this entire painting, for this entire floral, I'll be holding my brush at a 45-degree angle. Usually I hold my brush at a 90-degree angle to paint a floral. But for this, we'll be holding our brush at 45 degrees. Because we want a little slant effect when we paint this flower. Once I finish creating all the strokes around my two major strokes, the center one, I'm adding I'm adding some color to create depth on the backs. The upper ones are the back strokes, the back petals, and the front ones are the front petals. Watch till the end to see how I compile the whole pattern and add a little bud around this with leaves, and how I go around the whole, creating a nice a compilation of a good pattern. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we post every Monday and Friday different content, tutorials, to just a compilation of our older videos. So don't forget to subscribe to get new fresh content. After you finish painting the petals, don't forget to add the center of the peony. This little attention to detail adds life to your florals, and also gives a definition of what you're trying to achieve. Some details you have to apply or add at the end after the whole painting has dried. After adding some leaves, I'm now going to flip the paper and paint a second flower, same flower, a peony flower. So two flowers, when they are painted upside down, they give you a full look or full pattern feel. So here we are going to apply the same method of painting a two center first. See the U shape, two strokes, and then paint the petals, the supporting strokes of leaves, and a normal brush strokes to paint your second flower. now I'm painting a peony bud. This is going to be a two dimension, so it's not going to be a 3D bud. I've teamed up the whole thing with different types of leaves, so the pattern is has different varieties to look at. Little final touch ups here and there, adding some greens with different shades of green to to highlight and to create a back and forth. If you've tried this painting or if you've tried any other florals, do share with us. Tag us on Instagram, or you can share with us your mostly on Instagram. Thank you for watching till the end. Thank you and bye bye.